apparition of my grandmother in her youngest form, my youngest memory of her. And when I saw her, I was like, and by the time I was to think, am I dead? I had this knowing and just this flash of just white orbs just multiplying around me. And then I just knew, whoa, those are the angels. Straight ahead of me was this huge archway, and beyond there, it just looked like this beautiful crystal city, and that's where I wanted to go. I remember I asked, what is death? How do I explain death? And the angel just showed me feet walking off sand and just going into the water and becoming one with the water. They said, this is how you explain death. There's no finality. You walk from this physicality that's life, that you're here to experience by choice, and you step into the eternal water of light, of love, of becoming.